Welcome back to the car updates. The exterior of the 2025 Prius is a bold departure from the days when hybrids were known more for efficiency than design. The low, sleek profile and sculpted body lines give it a modern aerodynamic silhouette that looks almost sporty. The sharp LED headlights, flush door handles, and a flowing roofline contribute to a dynamic look, while the wide stance makes it appear more planted and confident on the road. The design isn't just for show, though its aerodynamics are carefully engineered to reduce drag, which directly improves fuel efficiency. This is Toyota proving that eco-friendly design doesn't have to mean boring or boxy inside. The Prius greets you with a cabin that feels futuristic yet welcoming. A large digital display stretches across the dashboard, providing clear and customizable information at a glance, from speed to navigation to hybrid system performance. The available 12.3-inch infotainment screen supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving seamless connectivity without the clutter of wires. Soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and clever use of space create an environment that feels upscale, while the ergonomic seating ensures comfort even on long drives. Toyota has managed to balance practicality like roomy rear seats and a useful cargo area with premium touches that make the Prius feel like more than just a hybrid commuter. Under the hood, the 2025 Prius continues to evolve its hybrid powertrain. The standard setup combines a 2.0-liter gasoline engine with Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid system, delivering around 194 horsepower in front-wheel drive versions and up to 196 horsepower with available all-wheel drive. That's a huge leap compared to earlier Prius models, and it means acceleration is smoother, faster, and more confident than ever before. For drivers who want even more, the Prius Prime plug-in hybrid variant pushes the output even further, with up to 220 horsepower and an electric-only range that can cover most daily commutes without burning a drop of fuel. This blend of performance and efficiency makes the Prius not just an eco-friendly option, but one that's genuinely enjoyable to drive. Fuel economy remains the Prius calling card, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. Standard hybrid versions achieve around 52 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient non-plug-in vehicles you can buy. For those opting for the Prius Prime, you get the flexibility of driving up to 40 miles purely on electric power before the gasoline engine even kicks in, and when it does, you still enjoy exceptional efficiency. This dual capability is a huge selling point for those who want to dip their toes into the world of electric, driving without the range anxiety that comes with a fully electric vehicle. Toyota hasn't skimped on safety either. The Prius comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, a suite of driver assistance features that includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, automatic high beams, and pre-collision detection. With pedestrian and cyclist detection, this system is designed to make driving not only safer, but less stressful, particularly in busy city environments or on long highway stretches. Features like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert further enhance confidence behind the wheel. One of the underrated aspects of the Prius is how quiet and refined the driving experience is. Thanks to improved insulation and the natural smoothness of the hybrid system, the cabin remains calm, even at highway speeds. The suspension is tuned for comfort, but still provides stability in corners. And with available all-wheel drive, the Prius adds another layer of security. For drivers in regions with wet or snowy conditions, this versatility ensures that the Prius isn't just a city car, but one capable of handling a variety of driving environments. Another key selling point is Toyota's reputation for reliability and the long-term value of the Prius. Hybrid batteries have improved significantly over the years, with Toyota offering robust warranties and proven durability. For buyers, this means peace of mind that the efficiency and performance won't fade with time. And resale values remain strong compared to many competitors. In the grand scheme, what makes the 2025 Prius so unique is how it balances identities. It's efficient enough to satisfy eco-conscious drivers, stylish enough to appeal to those who care about design, and powerful enough to make driving engaging rather than a chore. It's no longer a niche car for early adopters. It's a mainstream choice for anyone who wants modern technology, comfort, and sustainability in one package. As we wrap up, the 2025 Toyota Prius shows just how far hybrids have come. No longer a compromise between style, power, and efficiency. It delivers in all areas while continuing to push the boundaries of what a hybrid can be. Whether you're drawn in by its futuristic looks, impressed by its fuel economy, or curious about its surprisingly spirited performance, the Prius is no longer just the sensible choice, it's the smart and exciting one. If you've ever thought a hybrid couldn't be desirable, the 2025 Prius is here to change your mind.